Well, I guess we can consider this awning toast. It'll make a good tarp for something.
What was that you said, Rick?
It'll make a good tarp for something. What's left of it.
Rain Man.
Alright guys, before I show you this part of the video, please understand that I was not a happy camper. And honestly, the awning just kind of, well, threw me off. So at this point, I didn't give a crap.
Said Rick?
It'll make a good tarp for something. What's left of it.
Rain Man. He lost this on the way coming through Wyoming, coming down in the big wind. It done a number on it, didn't it? Well, go ahead and we're going to take it off. And Rick's going to do the, Rain Man's going to do the honor of ripping it. Oh, that didn't, so it didn't rip like it was doing.
It didn't rip like it was supposed to.
There you go. Whoa! Okay. We didn't count how many times that...
No, we didn't. That might be a problem.
Yeah. Uh-oh, that's a problem.
That's even a bigger problem.
That's a bigger problem. Yeah, might as well take that one off too. Wait a minute, that unlatch it? Yeah. Whoa!
Like that.
Well, we got it off. You got it off. Okay. Now to get new, huh?
Alright, so at this point, now that I took the awning down in the most inappropriate way that you could possibly take an awning down, we decided to kill two birds with one stone and go dump the tanks on my dad's RV and check into new cloth for my RV. I didn't have the camera rolling when we pulled in to dump the tanks, but this guy is washing down his area. He had already obviously dumped and pulled the hose off his, you know, off the tank connector and stuff, and he was washing it down, and you know, that's normal, that's cool, that's a good thing. Then what does he do? Evidently he still had his black tank valve open, and he stuffs the hose up in the black tank, blocks it off, and pumps it full of water. Not full of water, but you know, yeah, pumped a bunch of water in there with the rinse off hose that they supply, not his hose. This was the trailer supply place's hose. Stuffs it up in there, blocks it off, and then releases it. And, well, you can imagine the disaster that created. And then he's just hurrying up and washing it down the drain and stuff. And that's when I started taking this video, because I was in absolute amazement that this guy even did that. I mean, he didn't have gloves on. Nothing. It was absolutely disgusting. he did clean up the area pretty good, and because we were expecting a real nasty mess when we pulled him up. But he did actually rinse the area down pretty good. But I mean, that's absolutely one of those no-no kind of things. I mean, really, what was this guy thinking? All right, so after that whole disaster at the dump station, we walk in and start talking to the guy about my awning, the dimensions of it, and everything else. And what he really needed was the data tag info off of my awning. And that will tell him everything he needs to know about this awning. You know, the dimensions of the cloth, the type of cloth, the color, the whole 9 yards. Unfortunately, while he was saying this, I'm thinking to myself, you know, I'll bet when we get back there and we look at this decal, because it's actually on the roller itself, I'm thinking this is a 1995 motor coach, and if there's a readable label on there, I will be absolutely impressed. And, well, when we got back, the only thing you can really read is the serial number, not the model number or anything else. This is a picture of that label, but as a reference to everyone else, if you're trying to replace your cloth or whatever, if you can find this label on there, that helps them immensely. We have to go back down there and see if he can make any sense out of this serial number. I kind of doubt it. I don't know. We'll see. That's where we stand on the awning. So probably do that tomorrow. And while we're in there, of course, Rainmaker Rick, man, he's going to bring it on. Got some more rain, and I mean a heavy downpour too, and you could hear the employees going, "Wow, it's raining." My dad's walking around telling everybody, "Yep, Rainmaker Rick's here." He's working hard for us. Anyway, I did get the shifter sent off. That was an interesting deal in itself. I tried to insure it for the $4,000 that the company insures it for when they ship it back to me. That's the actual replacement cost, is what they say. But when I went into UPS to ship it, I had it packaged really, really well. But for that kind of insurance, they had to repackage, and by the time they repackaged it and insured it for $4,000, it was like $100 in shipping. So I ended up letting them repackage it and then insuring it for $1,000. And, well, I just hope and pray that it makes it there in good, safe condition and gets rebuilt and sent back. That's all I can say. Anyway, I know this has been a long video. Probably have to split this in 2 parts, but hey, it is what it is, and I'm enjoying, you know, seeing my folks and friends and family that I haven't seen in a couple of years, and, you know, I'm not in a huge hurry to get this back. Yeah, I would like my coach running again. I did find something out as well, as this shifter, when it doesn't want to work, will not let the levelers work. And I'm wondering just what else it won't let work while it doesn't want to work. It seems to control a whole lot on this coach that I really didn't know. And I'm still kind of studying the wiring diagrams and stuff on this. But anyway, it's a fact. If that keypad won't light up, my levelers will not work. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, great night. Peace out.
Thank you.